Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 3rd, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX, down 0.56. That's 2.17%, closed at 2530. So right now, we are coming down still. We closed lower than our support at 2574. So interesting to see this, especially after what happened yesterday. So we are coming down. So maybe we are going to start touching 2382. And just remember that everything above 20 on the VIX is considered high volatility. So we seem to be coming down a little bit more. So this is definitely helping the stock market a little bit. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, we just moved outside of this bullish channel today, and we stopped here on support at 31,741. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I said yesterday that when a stock gets out of a bullish channel, it does not necessarily go down directly. It's going to do another structure where we can do a congestion zone. So something like this. So something like this at 32,856, and probably something like this at 31,741. It might hover a little bit between the two, but we still have a good stochastic yet. This is not the time to short that one yet. If we look at the S&P 500, we lost stochastic over 60. And basically, we opened quite low today right here. We came down lower, but no, we were pushed back up. It was pretty much a sideways day. And then on the last hour, we had this big move down here, but right at the support at 3719 for the SPX. Yeah, but still in terms of stochastic, no force at all in stochastic. And daily chart, we lost stochastic over 60 on the daily chart. Unless we hold on to 3719, we should be heading back to 3644.58. Maybe it was a nice short to enter today. Let's look at the Nasdaq 100. So Nasdaq Composite. Let's look at Nasdaq Composite. So Nasdaq Composite broke below the important support at 10,534. So that's a significant event. We had last stochastic over 60 yesterday. So this one is already going, in my opinion. This one is already going. Yes, you can say, okay, yes, there's a support here at this point, and we bounced on it. Yes, nothing is perfect. No trade is completely perfect. We seem to have closed a little bit lower than this. The chances of this support holding are a little bit more slim because of that. The only thing that's weird a little bit is that the VIX is coming down. So if VIX was coming up at the same time, I would say this is more guaranteed that the short is going to work. The VIX is contrary to what's happening right now in the market. So this is adding a little bit of risk in there. So do your own research and make your own decisions. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.